Hi all, welcome back to the data analyzer project, C++ project. So in this part, we'll be seeing one of the function, that is the display info function, and all the other parts we had already completed in the previous video. If you have any doubts, you can go back and you can check it out in the previous video. In this particular video, we have only one function to work on, that is the display info. So here we are giving the value input as the data, and then we will check if the data is empty. If the data is empty, then we'll say no data is available, and we'll return the function, we'll exit from the function. If the data is available, then then we print information. Total rows is the total data size minus 1, because 1 is the header, followed by total columns, the total number of columns, that is basically the first row, total number of size of the first row is number of columns, and then we have to display the actual data. So to display the actual data, we just first give the header display, and then we iterate through each and every row, followed by each and every column of that particular row. So basically we're iterating through each and every cell, and we'll be displaying each and every cell. You can see data 2D array, that is data I and j. So we are displaying each and every element of each and every value, each and every cell. Now this function we had already seen in the previous part. This is basically removing the separating the words by comma and adding it to the vector, and these two functions are pending, which we'll be seeing in the upcoming videos, that is the basic statistics and filter data. Let me run the program. So I have to enter the data. I'll enter, and it displayed basic info. So you can see here we have first is the data, basically header, followed by all the column names, that is name, age, department, salary. All the names, age, department and salaries of all the people are displayed here. So I'll submit the program. That's it. We have to focus on this video. Yeah, the test case is passed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.